everyone, my name's Eddie. I'm the developer behind an adventure crafting exploration game called Carden. In this game, you'll be able to explore open worlds, each with unique characters to interact with. Work alongside a crew of new friends to help solve problems and help unite the people of Carden. In Carden, each level will be centered around a unique card that gives you the ability to explore the world in a new way. Each level opening secrets and hidden abilities you may not have come across before. From cooking, fishing, crafting, there's a lot to explore. I have been working on Carden for about 1.5 years now. In this series, I want to dive back to the beginning and look at how I've gotten to this point. Each video that I post will either show off a new mechanic or feature, from concept to ready for the game. So let's take a step back and see where this all started. So Carden comes from pretty humble beginnings. The concept is pretty simple. What if things were self-building? One specific idea around that was having a deck of cards that could unfold or unpack itself and form into a structure. This would go on to be the core idea around Carden. One of the other early concepts was an idea for the crafting system, being something similar to like a Pokédex, a physical item that could copy cards. I find it important to make different iterations of things and not always stick with the original idea. So it started off as this, but eventually became and evolved into the card that it is now, where it's a lot more robust for Carden. Another one of the early concepts with Carden was having 3D pop-out cards. This was an early concept for cooking, where everything would happen within the card itself. I went on to try this idea several different ways, including with tools like the axe, shovel, and other things. Through trial and error, this eventually went on to be a lot more cumbersome than I expected, and went into a simpler, easier system like it is now. In these early stages of Carden, everything was changing virtually every day. Trees to rocks to plants, everything was getting upgraded, getting deleted, or trying something different. I also wanted to show a few early concepts, and this one being of the bridge and large structures that can kind of connect things together or really help make things easier for different villagers. One of the big aspects of that is building a bridge or other large structures. The original concept obviously being a bridge, so this was the first attempt at that. Now this is the first iteration of that bridge, kind of getting the idea down, but I will say this is definitely not the final version. The level's not the only thing that's gotten a major upgrade over the 1.5 years that I've been working on this. Another large part of that has been the cards themselves, going from an early concept where I really didn't want to spend too much time on the art, just really getting the idea of those cards down, eventually moving on to more and more different ideas and styles as the time progressed. Using early concept art and being able to change things on the fly as I feel has always made things a lot easier for me, especially with trying to figure out what the game is going to be and how it actually feels. One of my favorite parts of working on this game has been the art itself. All the art is original and done by me, mostly on my iPad, which I do plan on releasing more videos of that process because I do use several different apps that really bring this game to life because there are different styles and systems that go into making it. Thanks for watching, and to finish off the video, here's a quick tour showing off the current level. Please remember to subscribe and like the video, share as well.